Daniel Brooks, a rising real estate agent, believes winning matters more than fairness.
Daniel chases commissions, not consequences.
Daniel finds a forgotten property with unclear ownership records.
He realizes he can claim the house through a technicality.
He ignores his conscience and files the claim.
Mrs. Helen Carter returns after years in a care facility.
He tells her the house now belongs to him.
This was her late husband's final gift to her.
He prepares the house for resale. He boasts about the deal. A lawyer contacts him regarding old ownership records.
The house was placed in a trust for Helen, temporarily misplaced.
The court rules in Helen's favor.
He loses the house and his reputation.
Daniel's actions become public.
Clients watch. He gathers courage to apologize. He admits his greed blinded him. She forgives him but teaches him a lesson.
He begins making amends. He chooses service over greed.
He rebuilds his career ethically. This time he chooses right.
Her home is filled with warmth again.
He remembers his mistake.
He warns others about greed. Integrity gives him peace. Wrong gains never last.
He chooses service over greed.
His life changes forever. Greed may win today, but justice always returns.